You heard Pat Gelsinger's remarks. Matt, this is a situation where this Dow component has not been perhaps indicative of the broader chip sector for quite some time now. Just how bad are the results and how do they read for the sector?
Yeah, from an Intel perspective, I think results are concerning. From a sector perspective, though, we had AMD earlier in the week, and AMD gave us pretty good results. The earnings season started off with Taiwan Semi, and Taiwan Semi had good results, very good guide. I'm more concerned about Intel than I am the space.
What exactly stood out to you? And we know the misses, we know the headline kind of numbers that are driving a lot of this, but what is it that you think is driving a 22% drop in a Dow component stock?
I think it is the sharp drop they saw in gross margins and to some extent the lower revenue guide. But it's in part Intel's going through this huge transformation, and so when they struggle to understand what's going on in the current environment, it makes it a little bit harder to believe that they have a great understanding of what's going to be happening 3, 4, 5 years out, which is when their model gets a whole lot more optimistic.
Do you feel as though this is one of those opportunities for investors to take a hard look at whether or not the turnaround story will happen in some medium to medium-ish longer-term time span? And could it be an opportunity for investors to get in? Or has Intel been one of those stocks that's been a laggard for so long that it has become dead money? I mean, I'm looking at a chart going back to .com. This is a stock that's well off of its .com highs.
Yeah, I mean, the problem is it's still hard to tell. So, I mean, they gave us a turnaround story that really starts to take hold in 2026, 2027. And so a lot of the products and a lot of the manufacturing that they're talking about, we don't have great insight into how things turn out. I think where the opportunity is the semiconductor sector. It has been under significant pressure over the last 3, 4 weeks. And when you look at companies like Taiwan Semi, like AMD, I mean, things just don't look that bad. I mean, they gave relatively good guidance. And so it seems like there's opportunities to choose outperformers here.
So if those outperformers are out there, where exactly would you be going? Is it just NVIDIA, which has been muscle memory reflex now for at least 2 or 3 years?
No, I mean, I think that when you look at the data center market, it's not that bad. When you look at the handset market, it's not that bad. So you look at someone like Taiwan Semi. I mean, there are concerns around what happens with China, but I think their business is good through 2024, 2025. Intel just told you they're giving them more business. I think AMD has an opportunity to emerge as the second supplier to NVIDIA. I think on the memory side, because AI needs so much memory, because there's more spending in servers, because potentially we see AI and client devices, Intel talked about more demand for their AI PCs. Those devices need more DRAM, they need more NAND. And so
Sure.
I think there's a ton of opportunities.